everybody, welcome back to my channel. Brittany Story here, and you are back in Nifty space. So, you are probably here because A, you've never tried Fenty Beauty and you're wondering if you should invest in it in 2020. Or B, you've tried Fenty Beauty, but you love trying new complexion products and you're just wondering if you should reinvest in Fenty Beauty. A little bit about Fenty Beauty. So they launched in September of 2017 and they first launched 40 shades of foundations, which help to really break down barriers within the beauty community. Now they have 50 shades and they really like to specialize in creating complexion products for people that have skin that's basically hard to match. And honestly, until Fenty Beauty launched, most brands were really catering towards fair and medium skin tones. Of course, excluding brands like MAC and Bobbi Brown and Lancome. Now, of course, there's a ton of brands now that are trying to hop on the bandwagon and they're like, hey, let me cash in on this black dollar. By the way, studies show that black women spend around $7.5 billion on beauty annually. So let that sink in. So with that said, there's a ton of competition out there for complexion products. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This is how the bottle looks. It has a really pretty kind of frosted matte bottle. You get 1.08 fluid ounces, which is very standard with foundation. And I believe it's $34. I don't know if they went up in price by $1, but I think it's $34. So my shade, by the way, is 370. So as far as my skin tone goes, I'm a little bit more on the golden neutral side. So it is really hard to sometimes find my match because things are either too orange or too neutral and it looks gray. Okay, so now for the fun part. So this is with one pump. And with this foundation, it does oxidize. So as I'm first kind of putting it on, it looks super yellow. And honestly, when I first went to get matched, they had to match me well, I had to go back 3 times actually, which was really annoying, but it was a new product, so I get it. Okay, so this is one pump on this side of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with another pump. And my cheeks are my problem area because I have acne and acne scarring. So with this product, it gives a soft matte finish. It's extremely buildable. So if you want, you could literally just do 2 pumps for the whole face, which I like to do that sometimes when I'm going to work, if I don't want it to look like a full face of makeup basically. But for today's video, I'm gonna add just a little bit more coverage so you can see how well it builds. And by the way, I have no primer on and there's no powder on yet. Literally look at that. And that's not a lot of coverage that I have on. And I'm breaking out kind of bad right here too. Okay, so I'm gonna put just a little bit on my forehead. So a little teensy bit. And I like to put just a little bit of foundation on my forehead because I feel it makes the look a little bit more natural. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more around my problem areas. so this is how the foundation looks. So yeah, I absolutely am obsessed with this product. Obsessed. I have literally bought this 3 times, and that's like unheard of for me because I love trying new complexion products. I just feel like it really gives my skin this airbrushed look. And I mean, you guys seen like how my skin looked before, which was not bad at all. But I mean, you can see like there is a little bit of oiliness, uneven skin tone, texture, a little bit of acne. And when it comes to buying complexion products, I really want something that helps to minimize my texture. This is great for someone who is oily combination. If you're super dry, you can use it, but I would honestly recommend to use the hydrating formula that they recently launched. And if you're super oily, you can definitely add setting powder. I mean, I'm not that oily, but I just love like setting my face. I just want to look as like airbrushed as possible. And if you're a little bit more on the normal side or dry combination, just really make sure you prep your face before using this product. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and I'm gonna do it on camera so you can kind of see how I did like my bronzer, highlight, and just how the foundation looks basically with everything completed. Okay guys, so I finished my face, so this is how it looks with everything on top. So yes, I would highly recommend you guys go try out the foundation. And again, they do have a more hydrating foundation if you want something that is more moisturizing. bomb, 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 bomb. I love this foundation so freaking much. You guys have to try it. It holds up with humidity as well, sweating. I don't know if they claim to be 24 hours, but I mean, I get a pretty good wear out of my foundation. So yes guys, thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, please give me a thumbs up and comment below and subscribe. And sorry for the rain in the background because it's been raining in LA a lot, so yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I will see you guys soon. Be well, be safe, and be blessed.